Hello, uh, welcome to my presentation on WSA MERN Stack Internship project and myself Deepak Kumar, and I am a fourth year undergraduate student in ECE at IIIT Kannur. And today I will be going through the goal. Today I will be going through the goals of the internship that we have experienced, like to develop the hands-on experience, to gain knowledge on the web stack technology for building seamless connectivity, and to target user interface. And we will aim to enhance our resume portfolio, gain off-campus certification support, and develop expertise in MERN stack technology. Ultimately, we will build a comprehensive full stack application. And also, we are going to integrate the payment system in this application. And what all we will learn, like MERN stack development, like MongoDB, Express, React, Node. And now I am going to the abstract of this project. Like this project involves the development of full stack food delivery application using MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, Node.js. And this platform allows user to a variety of restaurants menus to place orders from different restaurants. And this have all the menus present from the restaurants, and this application also integrates the secure payment gateways, and also user authentication will be there. And this is a responsive design that ensures the seamless experience across all the devices. And the system is scalable and optimized for performance to handle high traffic. And the project requirements, like in front end side, the project requirements are React.js for building the user interface, React Router for navigation between pages, IFS and Fetch for making HTTP requests to the backend, Redux for state management, responsive design using CSS or frameworks like Bootstrap and Material UI. And when we comes to the backend part, like we will be using Node.js with Express.js for setting up the RESTful API, MongoDB to store data like user information, restaurant menu, and orders, JWT for securing authentication and authorization, payment gateway to integrate with Stripe. Here we are using Stripe, cloud storage for storing images, Mailtrap for safe mailing testing, and now we will talk about what is this full stack web development. And in next slide, we will talk about MERN stack development. Like the versatile skill sets are there. Like full stack development involves proficiency in both front end and back end technology, enabling developers to build and manage all aspects of an application, users interface to server side logic. And end-to-end developments are there. Like full stack developers handle very stage of applications lifecycle, ensure seamless integration between front-end and back-end components for a cohesive user experience, efficient workflow. By covering both front-end and back-end roles, full stack developers influence the development process, often leading to faster project completion and more effective problem solving. And in Munstack development, it's a unified JavaScript environment. The Munstack uses JavaScript across all layers. MongoDB for the database, Express.js for backend, React.js for frontend, and Node.js for server-side environment, facilitating smooth development and code consistency. And it has a scalable architecture. One enables the creation of highly scalable and dynamic web application with React.js handling complex user interface, and MongoDB managing flexible and scalable data storage. And also it have a rich ecosystem and community. Like OneStack benefits from a robust equipment ecosystem and active community support, and also provides us the extensive library tools and the resources that are simplify development and enhance our productivity. In this app, we will be seeing the following features like user authentication. And this user authentication Munstack involves like JWT, JSON Web Tokens, to securely authenticate users. And the process typically includes our registration login, where passwords are hashed using libraries. Upon successful login, the server generates the JWT, and which is sent to the client and stored in the local storage. And the token is used to verify user identity on protected route using subsequent request. Like here we can see, like we have to give our email id and the password for the login. And we can also see how we can register. Like for registration we have given the we have to fill our name, email, password, and we have to also confirm our password. We have to give our mobile number, and we can also choose our avatars. Then we can register. And if we forget our password, then that feature is also there. Like we can just enter our email id, and we can get the link to reset our password. And there is a feature of restaurants. Like we have mentioned all the restaurants. Like in this, the restaurant features enables users to explore restaurants by filtering based on the criteria like review, rating, price, or like they can also filter based on like they want only veg food or non-veg food. And it also showcase restaurants details such as menu, delivery options, customer reviews, providing a seamless experience for users to find and choose their preferred dining options. Also, the when we will enter to a restaurant, the view menu will be there. That feature will allow users to browse through a restaurant's available dishes, including detailed description, prices, images. Users can filter or categorize menu through the main course, desserts, and customize order based on the preferences like portion size, ingredients. This features makes it easy for the users to select and add items to their cart before placing an order. And this is the cart management system. And this cart management system features uh, it lets the users to add, view, update, or remove items from the cart before they check out for the payment. And it displays a summary of selected items including quantity, total prices, and allows users to adjust quantities or delete items before checkout. And this features ensures a smooth and flexible shopping experience, enabling users to review and modify their projects as needed. And in payment integration system, like we have used Stripe for this. And the payment integration feature facilitates secure transactions by connecting the app to payment gateways like Stripe. And it allows user to enter payment details and select payment methods and process the payment directly within the app. The feature ensures secure handling of sensitive information and provides confirmation of successful transaction and supports various payment options for a seamless checkout experience. Now I will show you my project, like how this is working. Like this is the app. Here we have to first log in, and we will give our credentials, and we'll get login to this. Like here we have the option of pure base or so on, and we can also sort it by review or also by rating. And we get this daily sushi. Here we can click and get whatever the menus are there. like sushi varieties are there. All the sushi variety will be there. We can simply add to the cart or whatever the things we want to add, and from here we can go to the cart. And if you want to add more quantities or you want to delete this, we can delete, and we can remove item also. Then we can check out to the payment system. Here we have to give our details, and after giving the details we can directly go to the payment things. I'm just putting a random data here for showing you is it working or not. Like the payment have done, then we can see like our order have placed successfully. Then we can go to orders and check whatever the actions are there, like whatever the things, like here we can check our address, phone numbers, and whatever the amount we have to pay. And we can check the process, order process also, like when it is going to deliver to us. And also we can use this profile button to edit our profiles here. Like just we can go to edit option, and here we can edit our profiles. And if you want to log out, you can log out from here. If you want to register any new ID, just we will give all the details whatever asked here. Just register. Then we have logged in here. And if we want to use the feature of forget password, that we can also use. Just we can give this mail, and that will be sent to our master, where we can uh, get the reset link, and we can use that one thing. And thank you, and that's it from my side.